Viewers, welcome to the respective premise of Inspiration Academy. Inspiration Academy has a long history in the quality education. It has more than a decade of experience. Sadia Afrin is with me. We are having also Namra. She's from Glenris. Sadia did her master's from BPP University, London. Over the years, she has been successfully training, facilitating all English classes for kids. So Sadia, Namra, can you ask Sadia about her tips, tricks, and tactics of spoken English or kids spoken?
Okay, what is the single mistakes parents make when trying to teach their kids to speak confidently in English?
Speak confidently, you need vocabulary, tense, and your pronunciation. So all these tools are very essential for spoken English. That is why we teach students with different kind of games, for example, as well as AI, so that they are ready for the future.
How should a parent correct a child's grammar or pronunciation mistake without making them feel shy or shut down?
Well, to get rid of this shyness, you need to be friendlier with the kids, because kids are still naive and immature, as well as very shy sometimes. They feel uncomfortable to speak when they're new to something. So to get rid of this shyness, you need to be friendly with the students. For example, you can start with playing games with them or singing rhymes, so that they can, get a little bit of trickier with them. Become a child with a child. If you become a child with a child, your child will like you.
That's true. So Sadia, I have a question. If someone from Bangla medium background or English version national curriculum, how do you actually treat them and how do you actually facilitate them so that they can actually speak English smoothly or fluently?
Yes, to speak English smoothly or fluently, especially for a Bangla medium background student, it is very essential that they understand the Bangla first and then they speak English. And to understand that, we need to speak with them very politely, as well as in a very understanding manner that they will understand. So এটার জন্য আমরা যে ভাষাটা ব্যবহার করব সেই ভাষাটা খুবই সিম্পল হতে হবে, এবং অ্যাট দ্য সেম টাইম আমাদের যে বডি ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ এটাকেও একটু শার্প করতে হবে, যাতে করে তারা ইজিলি বুঝতে পারে যে আমরা তাদেরকে কি বলছি.
So will you scold the children if they are reluctant to speak?
No, not at all.
Okay.
বকা দেওয়া যাবে না.
Correct. Okay.
তাহলে ওরা
So
ভয় পেয়ে যায়.
so what will you do instead of chiding or scolding?
ইনস্টেড অফ স্কোল্ডিং, বকা না দিয়ে আমরা যেটা করতে পারি, তাদের সাথে গেমস খেলতে পারি. গেমস খেলার ফলে যদি শেখান তাহলে বাচ্চারা অবশ্যই শিখবে.
So can you share some of your strategy? How can you actually motivate the children to speak English fluently? What's your motivation?
মোটিভেশনের জন্য কার্টুন দেখানো যায়, বিভিন্ন ধরনের ভিডিওস দেখানো যায়. কার্টুন যেহেতু বাচ্চারা পছন্দ করে, সেহেতু আমরা বলতে পারি যে কার্টুন দেখে শিখলে তারা ইংলিশ শিখবে.
Alright, so for developing the presentation skill, what would be your tips, tools and techniques?
For developing the presentation skills, it's very important that they have a whiteboard in their home where they continuously present the people with drawings or illustrations. Sometimes you can ask them to go and draw a ball or a picture of a doll, something like this.
Yeah.
So via drawing skills, they will develop their presentation.
That's lovely. So it was really amazing, Garmaj. Hope we are going to reach you out some other day, inshallah, with Namra. Viewers, you have already come across about two of our very much influential teachers. They can actually handle the children technically, strategically, and definitely professionally. So you are welcome to pop up at our respective premise of Inspiration Academy with your beloved children, so that they can be guided over here. They can be mentored by these young facilitators. Our address is House 36, Road Shah Makdum Avenue, Sector 13, Uttar Dhaka. Hope to see you over here with a nice environment that we have already created, an amazing ambience for all of you guys. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.